That was very nice fish over there. Anyway, good morning. How are you feeling today, guys? I'm just after my morning coffee in the Sanur beach. Today I wanna show you a little bit around how it looks like and how is the current situation in Sanur. So stay tuned. So as you can see, the beach is open and closed in the same time. I mean, it's open, but officially you are not allowed to swim. But walking like I do now and having coffee in the one restaurant on the beach is totally fine. And normally you just come and go and enjoy. So that's one thing. Some beaches are in Bali are closed, some beaches are open. Today we're talking about the Sanur, and in Sanur everything is open. I mean, all the area in Sanur is open. However, it's super quiet. Not many people. Yeah. Anyway, check this out over here. This is the beautiful Mount Agong, which is the active volcano in Indonesia and Bali. And check this out, I will try to zoom it. There are some crabs, small crabs walking somewhere over here, but whenever I try to record them, they are just running away. So so regarding the beaches in Sanur, beaches are open, but it's no more lockdown. However, it's limited access. Limited access means as the main entrance to beach is closed. However, you can legally entrance to the beach, and you cannot swim. However, you can walk, you can have a sun bath with the limited distance. Of course, keep distancing. You can have a coffee or lunch in the restaurant or something, no problem at all. You cannot swim. I don't know why, I'm just saying how it is. Except you are a fisherman, so you can swim, but that's actually fishing, not really swimming. We're talking about swimming for chilling, right? So that's it about the beaches in Sanur. Just the quick informations for you guys. Quick update about the current situation in Bali. So the borders in Indonesia are still closed till further notice. Is no official information about that, no official statements about that. However, on the internet you can find the two rumors. And rumor number one is that the borders will be open in 6 or 10 of July. I don't know, it's just the rumor, so please don't take it very serious about that. And rumor number two, and the borders will be open in October, which is in next 4 or 5 months, which is quite long shot from now. About the visas, it's still the same, nothing changed. No visa on arrival, so if you are coming from abroad, you cannot, what I said before. If you're already in Indonesia or in Bali or wherever in Indonesia, you just have to follow the immigration Instagram or website, and still you are clear, no need to worry about the extension or fees or something. All is the same. And traveling in Indonesia, inside the country, I heard and I got email from AirAsia, which is the most famous low-coster airline. As you can travel to Jakarta and you just need a PCR test and that's it. no quarantine, but it's not really confirmed information. I'm planning to go to Jakarta in near future, so if so, I will let you know, guys. However, you cannot travel between islands like from Bali to Nusa Penida, Nusa Lembonan or Flores or wherever. It's all closed, so yeah. About the weather, it's so hot and sunny every single day. As you can see, the beautiful sky, sweat on my forehead. It's so hot, about 30 degrees, sunny every day. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching today's episode. I think that will be enough for today's, in case if I cannot find anything interesting. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, stuff like this, and see you tomorrow. Hello. The boy didn't want to be on the camera. It's okay.